Number 6. Lot S103.1 is a 1966 Pontiac GTO with a 400 cubic inch V8 and an automatic transmission. And it sold for $86,900 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read some of the highlights from the Mecum auction site. It has 67,078 miles, and it's factory GTO, PHS documentation, YS 400 cubic inch V8 engine, tri-power setup added, automatic transmission, candlelight cream exterior, black vinyl top, black interior, bucket seats, center console, rally dash, rear speaker, power windows, rear defroster, power antenna, power steering, dual exhaust, Pontiac Rally 1 wheels, redline tires, original owner's manual, and Protecto plate. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.